Hello, this is the Faithful Planner Girl, and I am going to show you my little bag today. This is the one I take when I don't use my big monster pink bag that I just showed you. So this one's a little bit more condensed. So if I just want a few little things, and when I say few, you'll be surprised how much I can stuff into this bag too. Okay, again, we have my washi tape will travel on this ring. And then here are the Illustrated Faith cardstock stickers once again. Love having these because they're not messy at all whatsoever. Got to grab out my glasses again so I can see what I'm doing. And here's the other bag by Illustrated Faith also. And I can show you what's all in here on another video. Let's get back to this bag. What's nice about this bag, it has the zipper sides. So you can unzip both sides. If you have the space, you can put it flat on your desk. Just like that. So again, my Prisma Color Premier colored pencils. Can't find my other box right now, so I just slipped this in. It's my new one, but I'm looking for my other one. I don't know what I do with it. Anyways, here's my ink pads once again with my acrylic block. And this time I put in my acrylic paints by Illustrated Faith, and I just keep them in this little metal box. They travel quite well. I also threw in my Amazon birthday card, and I just apply the paints with that card onto my journaling Bible. And of course, my handy dandy journaling Bible itself. Again, I've got some other Illustrated Faith. These are some more die cuts through Illustrated Faith. And this is from their print and pray shop. So I just print them out, cut them out, then I stick them in these little baggies. That way they don't take up much room in my bags. And when I get home, I can just unload them. But it really, and then I cut off the back side so you know what was in this little bag. Mainly because it just doesn't, take up any room. They're compact and really nice to have in these little netted areas of the bag. I also have a Faber-Castell Pitt pens, artist pens, and they are great for highlighting in your Bible. They do not bleed through. These are great pens. On this other little area here, it does snap to keep it all together. There are two little bags. This one and this one will come with this bag, okay? And I have some more of the die cuts from Illustrated Faith. There's another one. Or you can put pins in there, whatever you want. And again, always I take my Sharpies with me. These fine point Sharpies are just beautiful in the Bible, where they do not bleed through. I also have this mat. It's very pliable, which is so nice when you're going to cover up a page, or if you want to put it underneath the Bible, because it is so pliable that it doesn't stick out hard. This one I really, really like. You can just wipe it clean. If you get any gesso on it, it can just peel right off. I just haven't taken the time to really give it a scrub. But anyhow, it's a great mat. It is called the Ranger Ink Sensuals Reusable Non-Stick Craft Sheet. If that's not a mouthful. Anyhow, it's a great mat. I also have on the back side also another little snap. I have another mat, and this mat is the one probably you have seen before, which is from the Illustrated Faith. And it's great because you can put a page over this and you can actually see the lines underneath if you want to write something straight or line it up. This is also a little stencil that you can apply with some markers, paint, or my mind's blank. I've used it with different mediums to apply it on. Anyways, it's made as a stencil. And let's get to the back part, front part, I'd say, where I have some more goodies. Have you seen in my prior videos, I just threw in one of my stamps for alphas. I brought in two more, the same journaling stamps that I showed earlier from the American Crafts. And also, this time I threw in some more stickers from Stickabilities. These are made from the Paper Studio. You can find them at Hobby Lobby. Sometimes they're on sale, about half price. Those are great. And some more Illustrated Faith stickers. And some Alpha Homespun, also Illustrated Faith stickers. Okay, so those are really easy to pull in and out on this ring clip. I clipped them too. And I think the last thing is I have another little mini sticker tablet from Carpe Diem. And I just put that inside as well. Just a lot more stickers. Okay, as you can see, this holds quite a bit of stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video on my bag as well, this little mini bag, but it still can carry tons of stuff. Okay? Thank you for everybody for watching. And again, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you.